Hey, I'm Ryan. I'm the wholesale executive for Flarespace. So Flarespace started life as the primary and original flare manufacturer. We started back in 2010. We worked through the decade to cover the Sprinter, the Ford Transit, the longer Sprinter, otherwise known as the 170, the ProMaster, and many other models. We offer the best fit, the most window selection, but recently we've moved into the other side of off-roading, the Invader brush guard, the Tenzing Evictus suspension. With the recent acquisition of Evictus, we now take on the best suspension in the world. Pre-runner Evictus suspension, the Mercedes Sprinter, can literally absolutely go anywhere. The on-road performance is bar none the best. Off-road performance takes it to another level. Whoops, jumps, any kind of loose terrain you can think of is going to be conquered by the Evictus. So our Invader brush guard is revolutionary. The van will come straight from Storyteller with fantastic protection, but now we've got an integrated plan to get the cradle system to you, no longer having to remove it for something else. The Warren winch is available, so from the factory you can have that pathway to the ultimate upgrade, whatever you like. That can be done by your local dealer, such as Hans.